Hey old folks, this one's for you. If you've had problems with vertigo, I'm going to go over why it's been showing up. Once again, my name is Dr. Greg Gersten with Align Wellness Center. I help people to remove the obstacles for their health. They can live amazing, fantastic lives. If this is something you're into, go ahead and subscribe to our channel where we're constantly producing content to help you live an amazing, fantastic life. So vertigo, it's pretty treacherous and it shows up for so many people. But why does it show up for the elderly? You know, there's typically several different reasons that it can show up. So I'm going to go through a couple of them. You know, the number one cause that I typically find in elderly that they suffer from vertigo is that their medications have it as a side effect. Now, I don't make any prescriptions on medications, so if you are concerned about that, you can wind up just Googling your medications and looking through the side effects of them. Then you'll want to bring that up with your prescribing provider and talk about coming up with other solutions so that you don't wind up having those symptoms. The next thing that usually winds up causing it are my famous four. That includes the ears, the eyes, the jaw, and the cervical spine. We typically recommend things like a semicircular maneuver, like I did up in this video, if we think that it's something to do with the ears or balance issues. If that doesn't wind up helping, then we've got to look at the jaw, the neck, and the eyes. So if you've been having problems with it, let's look to figure out a way for you to get connected with the provider so that they can assess those other things that you can't. The best person to do that winds up being a corrective chiropractor. If you need help finding one, go ahead and write down below. Once again, my name is Dr. Greg Gersten, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.